LegalMatch certainly has helped to add a consistent flow of clients for the firm. COVID is still here. This is an unprecedented time. LegalMatch has provided the firm a steady flow of clients needing representation throughout the pandemic. As I said, this is an interesting time. When the pandemic started, the courts were closed, but clients' needs were still there. Interestingly, with LegalMatch, we're able to satisfy those needs. And as I said, it's a consistent flow of clients since I have signed up with LegalMatch. I appreciate the level of information provided for each prospective client. The other thing about LegalMatch, which I think is a plus, it gives the client information about myself or provides information to the client about myself so that they are able to go to my website, look at my website before they call me. So once they call me, they already have advance notice who I am and my background, and it makes the opportunity to close the deal much easier. LegalMatch provides a consistent flow of clients. It gives you an inside personal information about the client. And if you have any questions concerning a particular issue with LegalMatch, they provide, I believe, a support person who is willing to answer any questions you have. To be honest, I've been very, very busy to exercise that option often, but I do know that option is available if necessary, if I need that support. Regularly, and I must say consistently. I think I've been with LegalMatch over 6 months, 7 months, and I try to answer as many questions as possible, and I can honestly say that it is my option to decide how many clients I want. So I have talked to a lot of clients and I have seen the need. So I don't keep a number in terms of how many clients I've had for LegalMatch, but I've had a number of clients. And even though a client may not be able to represent me, they still leave being grateful for the services that I provide. Well, I will not name any names, but my firm has used other platforms and often they did not deliver to expectations, but that could be a timing thing. Go for it. Be ready for the increased volume, and it's an investment that should deliver return. Be responsive. It's a numbers game in a way, but you have to be responsive. If someone sends you an email that they're interested, at least try to get back to them. Certainly you don't know the urgency of their needs, but it also puts you at a competitive edge by getting back to them within a short time. So that is very, very important. It's a worthwhile investment, and I just believe that you have to be willing to work the system and you will see the reward. You have to be responsive. That's very important. You have to be prepared and you have to be effective doing so.